In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All of us have certain bad habits we want to get rid of. All of us have certain bad habits which we want to get rid of. We do make efforts, but hardly it succeeds. Despite making of the effort, if we could not succeed, if we are not succeeding, this means that our technique is not right. So, to get rid of a bad habit, not only that we need to make certain efforts, but we need to have a good technique simultaneously, without which our efforts will not yield results. What is this good technique, by the way? Prior to going for a good technique, let's go and try to understand why, after all, we are unable to succeed. Because it is a bit surprising that we are making effort but we are not succeeding. It is somewhat surprising that despite the fact we are serious, despite the fact that we are making effort, yet we are unable to succeed. If this be the case, then we need to think, we need to understand, we need to know why. Why, after all, why? We have to actually understand the way our mind, our brain work. We have to understand the way our mind, our brain works. We are often found saying that I shall stop doing this thing, I shall stop doing this thing, I shall stop doing this thing, I shall not do this thing, I shall not smoke a cigarette, I shall not play the billiard, I shall not go there, I shall not meet that particular person. So we are saying no, no billiard, no cigarette, no that place, no that person. But the trouble is, our mind, our brain does not take the command of no. We are saying no billiard. Our mind is taking billiard. We are saying no cigarettes. Our mind is taking cigarettes. Our mind have expunged the word no. Once we say no, I shall not be playing billiard, our mind have expunged the word no. And now it is I shall be playing the billiard. I shall not be smoking a cigarette. No has been expunged by the brain. This is how our brain works. Now it has been taken that I shall be smoking a cigarette. The word billiard, the word cigarette is there. The word that place where I don't want to go, but the brain has taken, the mind has taken the word of the name of that place. I shall not be meeting that person. Not has been expunged, the name of that person has been taken by the brain, by the mind. Although the feelings behind it counts and counts a lot. But once we say the billiard, not only that we have put forward the name of billiard, rather we have made the image of billiard again in the brain as well. Once we say no cigarette, no has been expunged. Not only the name of cigarette, rather the image of the cigarette, the picture of the cigarette has been fed to the brain again. We say I shall not be going to that place. Not only the name of that place, rather the image, the picture of that place has been also refreshed in the brain. I shall not be meeting that person who has been expunged by the brain. Not only the name of the person, rather the image, the picture of that particular person has also been put into the brain. This is how our mind works. What we need to do is that we should be what we need to do is that we should stop taking the name, the image and the picture of the person, the place, the thing, the habit you want to get rid of. Not to take the name, not to put the image, the picture of that particular person into the brain. Not. And attach very bad feelings, not the feelings of happiness, not the feelings of dignity, rather the feelings of pain, the feelings of trouble, the feelings of hatred should be fed into the mind. The feelings of hatred should be fed into the mind. The more feelings of hatred, disgust, let's take that thing, that particular person, that particular thing as something which is disgusting, something which must be hated, must be despised upon. Let's take that thing in this way. Put that new image, replace the new image, put the new picture, the new image into your brain. You will start hating automatically. And once you do start hating, once you do start despising upon it, once you do start hating, once you do feel disgusting about that particular thing, that particular place or person, that is the time that you have started succeeding. Even feel nausea and hatred once the image, the name of that particular place, person or thing comes into your mind. That is how you will succeed. Try it. Thank you.